Good morning, everyone. Now let us learn about brief history of life sciences invention and discoveries. When we talk about science, it always starts with the observation of all the natural phenomena which is happening around us. We need to carefully study all the events through experimental procedures. And if we get continuation in our experiments, we can easily conclude, we can collect the data, and we can scientifically correlate with other things. So the scientific method start with observation, several making of hypothesis, several experimentation, and the collection of data. And if we get continuity in our data, this hypothesis becomes a theory. And if not, we have to develop again a new hypothesis and revise the theory. This is how a scientific method runs. So now we talk about the biology. Biology is the study of life. The word biology is coming from a Greek word which means bios and logos. Bios means the life and logos is a study. So it's the science of life. Here we see relationship of living things or organism with nature among other species. And we also study various structures, functions, etc. And also the outcome in the form of various things and various procedures. We all this all comes under the study of life sciences or biological sciences. Our planet is very much diverse. There are a number of plant species which is around 3 lakh, a number of reported insect species it's more than 7 lakhs, various algae, protozoa, fungus, bacteria, viruses. These all are plenty in our planet, and the known animals are reported is around 3 lakh species. So we can see how much diverse is our planet, and there are also extinct species, endangered species, etc. And if we talk about one of the most notable extinct species from our planet is dinosaur. There are several characteristics of life like movement, reproduction, respiration, nutrition, growth. But reproduction and growth are the most important characters of life through which you can define that any object is live or not. I am going to elaborate the definition of growth, and it is always associated with the increase in size and changes in shape of any object or any organism. But if we peep into the larger scenario, it actually show the increase in cell number. That means cell growth and cell division. These two are the most important parameter when we talk about growth. And if there is no growth or no reproduction, an object or an organism is not live. When you talk about the history of biology, uh, it is actually a study of a living world from ancient to modern time. Uh, the biological science is actually an amalgam of traditional medicinal studies and natural sciences, and we it traces back to the study of Ayurveda, knowledge of Ayurveda, ancient Egyptian medicine, and the notable work done by uh, Greeks. The names are Aristotle, Galen, William Harvey. Their works were very much notable, and Aristotle is considered as the father of biology. Some other work which has a significant contribution, not only the ancient biological sciences, but the modern also. They are Carolus Linnaeus, Robert Hooke, Leeuwenhoek, Louis Pasteur. to name a few. Other significant contributor are for the modern science are Mendel, Darwin, Fleming, Sanger, Gilbert sequencing, which actually leads to the sequencing technology, Carey-Mullis, who discovered polymerase chain reaction, etc. In the next lecture, I will elaborate the work done by these great people, which has changed the way of thinking about the biological sciences. Thank you.